extra cable for connection. It's a little bit. It's under there. Keep it on plastic to make sure it doesn't short circuit. Try to provide 5 volt with a floppy power cable and see how it works. And, we can look at it in normal mode first. So that's the standard view. Just this converter here. So the picture is well, it's how it used to be. It's of course not perfect. A little bit. Some artifacts, as you can see, it scrolls through here. Okay, so let's look at all the ME output. And it's, well, it's not as good as on the 500. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bit wobbly. I've set this jumper to Super Denise setting now. I think that see the text that it's a little bit. I'll try to turn off again. Switch over. Switch over. Now it's in normal setting. Let's try again. So, well, I don't have the best LCD screen, but it's just for the test purpose. But it was displaying fine on my 500, much better than this. Well, it doesn't matter if I put it without the Super Denise support on the jumper setting. I've not tried to overclock or do anything funny setup in the settings, so I don't know, maybe there is something there, but this is it's not so good. I know there was some talk about the components that maybe you should try other kind of components here that it might help. However, they were talking about white dots. I am more like a little bit. It's not so synchronized. It can. I don't know, but it's not so good as on my 500. Yeah.